Restoration information for the windshield wipers on an Audi A4 B6. B6, the model years are 02, 03, and 04. Driver's side wiper arm, passenger side wiper arm, and here are the part numbers. You're gonna pay less than $100 for each one. The driver's side has a larger curvature compared to this curvature right here. Passenger side is gonna come with a box-like plastic piece. Here's a better picture of that along with the part number. So if you break it and you need to order it, that's where you get it, ecstuning.com. Now, if you order that replacement piece, you're also gonna have to replace the middle clip. This clip, it does not come along with a new box-like plastic piece. You're gonna have to buy this separate, and here's the part number for that. Those clips like to break because that's what holds the windshield wiper in place. And people have heavy hands and they like to break those. On the driver's side, we have that same box-like plastic piece with a wind deflector attached to it. It's all one piece. And of course, on this side, this clip also likes to break. So here's a part number for this one. Wind deflector attached to it. The B7 model years run from 05, 06, 07, and 08. Basically, it's the same design, except at the tip, it doesn't have all that BS hardware. It doesn't have any of that. It just has this hard plastic piece that attaches to the wiper. It would just go in like that, and then you would secure it, and that's all there is to it. You don't have to worry about any of the aforementioned pieces. And yes, they are interchangeable. B7 arms fit into B6 vehicles. So here's that driver's side. It doesn't have any of that BS the B6 has. The B7 wipers are much better design compared to the B6 wipers. The B6 looks low quality, but the B7, oof, look at that design, beautiful. So that was just a quick video that yes, B7 arms are interchangeable. You could put them onto the B6 and have a nice little upgrade. Here we have an Audi A4 B6 with the upgraded B7 wiper arms and blades. No issues, right? Look at that, beautiful. Only thing is the wiper blade seems to drag a little bit, but I have no issues with that. As long as it dries the glass good, then I have no problem. I hope you learned something. Have a good day.